What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Period. So we're gonna get into the video, and I'm going to be installing a frontal wig. It is a bob. It is a bob wig. HD lace. I think I put it on before and took it off, but yeah, it's a frontal 13 by 6. But here it is. I cut it myself a little bit because I don't know what was going on, but I found these and it looked good or whatever. I never like did a video on it, so that's what I'm gonna be doing, I guess, a reinstall, because I don't remember if I put it on or not. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. And I haven't did a hair video in a while, so I'm ready. So first things first, you need to do a ball cap method. I already did mine, so boom, y'all finna see. But yeah, she ready. Okay, let's see how this blend looks. And today I'm gonna be using lace grip, boom, the purple kind. Okay, focus, girl. Okay, well, this lace grip extreme pro, stronger than stronghold. I'm gonna do like four. Is that 4 too much? I'm gonna do 3. I'm gonna do 3. Maybe keep it on for a week. I'm gonna do 3. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna just lay my glue down where I want it, and then slide it back, and then we're gonna place the wig on. So here we go. video. How y'all doing? So this is the look that this hair came out. I love it. Like, I normally don't do short hair, so yeah, it's cute or whatever. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment and I will respond. This is not sponsored. This is HD Lace 13 by 6, okay? I will have the link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, I hope you guys love it because I do. Come in some more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Oh, okay. This is it. Again, thank you guys. I'm out. Period. Go.